Yeah, having a bit of a network problem there. Yeah, otherwise, how are you all doing? Big up on yourself wherever you are watching from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa, and this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank every one of you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. This actually last month has been a very good month for me because that is the month that my YouTube channel performed best. So, because of this, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. At Into Deep Promotions, we share content from Northern Uganda to the rest of the world. So you'll be entertained to a lot of our cultural dances, entertainment, news updates from your favorite celebrities from Northern Uganda. So I have some very good news for all my followers out there. Very many of you have been enjoying dance videos from uh, the pot dancer, this lady who dances with the pot. And the good news I want to tell you is I am going to be working with her directly, and we are going to be bringing for you a lot of the pot dances that she does very perfectly. So expect massive pot dances from her very soon on the channel. Yeah, we're just working on a few things here and there. We want to get her more of the pots so that she can put as many as she can. So expect the best from the pot dancer on this channel here. Yeah, so I also want to thank everyone who is always live with me. Whenever I come live on the channel, you're always here with me. I want to send big shouts out to you. So if you've just joined the live right now, please make it a point to double tap on your screen to like this video so that it gets to reach very many people. So without wasting a lot of time, let me get into the entertainment news. I want to start with artists who have released new songs. Yeah, yesterday, Laxi Mover released a brand new song called Cape Chamo, meaning that if you've not eaten. So this is actually a love song, and he's trying to tell the woman that I work so hard for you. So if you don't enjoy uh, my money, if you don't enjoy whatever I give for you, you know, then it wouldn't be so nice. You have to enjoy. I'm here for you, blah blah blah, something like that. So the song is officially available on his YouTube channel. If you're still new and you haven't yet subscribed to his channel, make sure you go and check out the song from Laxi Mover, which is still brand new and it's called Ka Pe Ichamo. Yeah, then I also have very good news for fans of Nyinga Blamo. Yeah, actually, Nyinga Blamo used to work with Laxi. Uh, Back then they were a duo, but at the moment, each one of them is doing their own things. So Nyinga Blamo released two videos straight up. He released one video which is called Fire, and then he also released another one called Ada Way. Yeah, all this on his YouTube channel, and they're very nice videos. One is done by one of the finest video directors that we have here. That's none other than Israel Dennis. Yeah, so it's on his YouTube channel. Make sure you go and check it out. Yeah, if you've just joined, please make sure you double tap on your screen so that you like this video here. And you can also leave down a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I can see a comment here from Pallavi Srivastava. I don't know where she is from. Maybe you can as well let me know where you're watching from. She's saying hi. Hi, big up on yourself. And thank you so much for joining. Yeah, you can leave down your comments as well. And let me know where you're watching from. She is from India. Big up on yourself and greetings to all our subscribers all the way from India. We love you guys so much. Sending you peace and love. Blessings upon yourself. Yeah, I can see more people are joining the live. Yeah, more people are joining the live. Make sure you double tap on the screen to like the live. Yeah, then I also have some good news for fans of Polite Moscow. Yeah, if you're a big fan of Polite Moscow out there, I want to let you know that he has a brand new song which is out with the video and it is on his YouTube channel. The song is called La Bon Daro. La Bon Daro means without a wife. Yeah, it's already on his YouTube channel. Please make sure you go and check out Polite Moscow and get to enjoy the new song from him. Yeah, I continue welcoming you guys to my live, and I am so happy. I am really, really so happy for what you guys have done for me. You guys have really subscribed to my channel massively last month of September. It's the month that my channel performed best. So I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my channel here. Big up on yourself. You can always support the channel by subscribing. You can support the channel by being members. You get the membership. Then you can also be supporting us by sending super thanks. Yeah, that will help me to be in position to create more good content for you people out there. Labeja Isaac, watching all the way from Somalia. Big up on yourself, my brother. How is Somalia today? I hope everything is doing good over there. These are the people who are always on my live. They never miss. As long as I'm live, they're always there. Big up on yourself, Labeja Isaac. Then I am also seeing a comment here from Calvin. Calvin Chinos. Big up on yourself, Calvin. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, I don't know where you're watching from, but I'm sending you love and blessings from Into Deep Promotions. Yeah, for those ones who are just joining, make sure you double tap on your screen so that you like the video. Yeah, let's get this channel to be a big one. Actually, we are almost making 50K subscribers. So if you're out there and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Let us get to 50K. Yeah. And I can be in position to always bring you the best content. Yeah, Labeja Isaac is saying Afoy Materomera. Mr. Twa, big up to you. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Chinos, big up, big up, big up. I love you guys so much. Yeah, make sure to double tap on the screen, double tap on the screen, double tap on the screen to like the video. Yeah, and then I'm having Pravalika. Pravalika, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for joining the live. Pravalika, where are you watching from? Please let me know so that I can send big shots out to you. Calvin Chinos, all the way from Zimbabwe. Yeah, my brother there from Zimbabwe. One love, sending you love, blessings, peace, and love, all the way from Into Deep Promotions to you there in Zimbabwe. And then I have Abel Kachoza. Abel is watching from Senior Quarters. Senior Quarters where? Senior Quarters in Gulu here. One love, Abel. Thank you so much for being part of my channel. So, the good news I have for my subscribers is that there's a video I've been putting up Oh, from Gulu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abel. Yeah, wishing you a very, very wonderful day. Blessings, peace, and love. Yeah, so there's a video that I shared on my channel of this girl who has been dancing with the pot, and the video went so viral. And whenever I go live, people like watching her dancing. I have good news for you, my subscribers, that I am officially going to be working with her, the pot dancer there. Yeah, so she is going to be entertaining you a lot. So very soon, expect a lot of good content coming from her. Yeah, we are getting for her more pots. This time she's going to be dancing with 9 pots. 9 pots. Yeah. So expect the best from the channel, and thank you so much for always supporting. We shall always and always be bringing you good content. Yeah. Then to my subscribers in Gulu, or if you're planning to travel to come to Gulu, I have good news. This weekend on Saturday, the 5th, we are going to be having Nigerian comedian Sabinos in Gulu City. Sabinos will be entertaining his fans with very, very good comedy and jokes, yeah, at Acholi Inn Gardens. So, for those of you who haven't yet got their tickets by now, I want to tell you that the discounted tickets are running out, the ones of 40K. So make sure you get your tickets chap, 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 so that you don't miss out on this big comedy show, which is coming to Gulu City. Yeah, at the gate, you'll be paying 50,000, and then VIP will be going for 100,000. A table of 5, silver will be going for 500,000. Gold will be going for 1 million. Platinum will be going for 1.5 million. Expect massive performances from Adong Music. Expect great performances from Laxi Mover. And then expect great comedy jokes from your favorite comedians in the region. So Saturday is going to be massive in Gulu City. All roads will be leading to Acholi Inn. Then I have comments here from Mr. Troll. Uh, whoa. Your comments are very, very, very funny. Anyway, moving forward, there's going to be live band happening at Boma Hotel this Friday and Saturday. So make sure that you don't miss out. If you're a big fan of live band and in Gulu City, yeah, Boma Hotel Gulu is the place for you to be. Make sure you're there and you don't miss out. Yeah. Getting back to the entertainment scene, Boss Kali, singer Boss Kali, is having a brand new song which is titled Weekend. Yeah, Weekend is already available on his YouTube channel. Make sure you go and support Boss Kali. Yeah, the latest song Weekend is trending, and it's getting a lot of airplay across most of the media platforms. Yeah, my brother here, Kaliz, Red Mazo, big up on yourself. Roop, 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 roop. Itinining. Yeah, Afoyo Nini, Elive Mamega, big up, big up, big up. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, this is one of my biggest subscribers. He's always on my lives and he doesn't miss. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself, Red Mazo. Yeah. Otherwise, keep the comments coming. Keep the comments coming. Keep the comments coming. So, I look forward to see some of you guys at the comedy show. I look forward to see some of you guys at the comedy show. Mr. Troll, your comments are not so friendly. Your comments are not so friendly. Uh, yeah, moving forward, this guy has been sending comments which are not really so good, so I had to cut him off. Like most of his comments are totally against the community standards. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for supporting Into Deep. We are now on our way to 50,000 subscribers. Yeah, the channel grew so fast and rapidly last month of September. Yeah, the channel just blew up. From 9,000 subscribers, now we are almost making it to 50,000 subscribers. And I highly appreciate you guys for the love. Thank you so much for uplifting the channel. Yeah, you guys are the best. So very soon we shall be making it to 50K. Kali's Red Mazo, I'm doing great, bro. Just hustling around with life. Yeah, let keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Yeah, one day it shall be okay. Yeah, let's hustle hard. All of us have to hustle hard. Yeah, all of us have to hustle hard. To fans of Eddie Wizzy out there, I want to let you know that he is having a Lakubu Kubu song that he's going to release very soon. So if you haven't listened to Lakubu Kubu music from Eddie Wizzy for quite some time, I want to let you know that his next release coming is going to be Lakubu Kubu. So make sure that you do not miss out. Yeah, if you're not subscribed to his channel, please make sure you go and subscribe so that you do not miss out on that new project which is coming. Otherwise, I want to wish you all a wonderful day. This live here is going to end at this particular time. I only came here to update you about a few things. Yeah, expect great, great, great content coming your way from Into Deep Promotions. Yeah, thank you so much for always supporting. I love you guys all.